There's a moment that happens to many Malibu buyers after purchasing a home. Imagine it's late afternoon, the light softens, the wind drops, and the Pacific turns that deep glassy blue. You're standing on a deck, maybe in Point Dume or the bluffs above Broad Beach, and the thoughts shift. You love this home, the views, the community, the quiet evenings. You start to think, could this actually be a smart investment also? In 2026, that question matters more than ever. Between rising insurance costs, changing interest rates, and global economic uncertainty, buyers aren't just looking for lifestyle, they're looking for resilience, scarcity, and long-term upside. So let's break it down clearly. The simple answer, yes, Malibu real estate can be a strong investment. But only if you understand what actually drives value here. Malibu is not like most markets. It doesn't behave like downtown Los Angeles, Miami, or even nearby Santa Monica. It follows its own rules. 1. Scarcity is Malibu's greatest asset. Malibu has about 27 miles of coastline. That's it, there is no room to expand, strict zoning, environmental protections, limited new construction. This creates a fundamental truth: there will never be more Malibu, especially when it comes to oceanfront property in areas like Carbon Beach, Point Dume, or Malibu Colony. For investors, scarcity drives price. It's the same principle that dictates value in places like Manhattan or Monaco. 2. Malibu is a trophy asset market as well as a family and community one. Most high-end buyers in Malibu are not purely price-driven. They are founders, executives, entertainers, global investors. They're buying for privacy, prestige, emotional value. That makes Malibu what's known as a trophy market. In these markets, prices don't always follow traditional cycles. The top properties hold value better, and unique homes can command premiums regardless of broader conditions. We've seen this repeatedly, especially for turnkey oceanfront homes. 3. Not all Malibu properties perform the same. This is where many investors get it wrong. Malibu is not one market, it's dozens of micro-markets. For example, a home in Latigo, Big Rock, Canaan, Encinal, Decker, Mulholland, Yerba Buena, Deer Creek, Corral, or Las Flores may offer more acreage and lower price per square foot. In contrast, an oceanfront home, for example, on Malibu Road, Carbon, Broad Beach, Point Dume, The Colony, Paradise Cove, offers stronger long-term appreciation, higher global demand due to scarcity, and more upside at resale. When think purely from an investment perspective, location within Malibu matters more than almost anything else. 4. The biggest risks in 2026. A smart investment isn't just about upside, it's about understanding risk. Insurance costs due to fires and coastal exposure have pushed insurance premiums significantly higher and continue to do so almost each year. Depending on location, buyers may see $10,000 to $50,000 plus annually. In addition, climate and regulations, coastal commissions, building restrictions, renovation limitations significantly impact timelines and costs. Liquidity at lower price points, homes under $5 million, can be more sensitive to broader market shifts than ultra-luxury properties. 5. Where the best investment opportunities. Right now, based on current trends, we're seeing opportunity in turnkey oceanfront homes. Due to recent loss on inventory along the coast from the fire, buyers are looking to move in now instead of risk the cost and delays of starting to build. Fully renovated properties in prime areas like Carbon Beach continue to attract strong demand. Buyers are paying premiums to avoid construction and permitting delays. Although with the lack of transparency and urgency from the governing bodies, those higher prices are equate to years of stress-free coastal living. Another area to watch is Point Dume. With beach access, the homes here offer a rare mix of privacy, community feel, beach key access. These consistently perform well over time and offer an ironclad opportunity. A more creative option is the value-add opportunity in prime locations. Older homes in great locations, especially near the coast, offer upside through renovation. But this strategy requires more than just money. You will need to identify the right homes and locations. It's always good to find a team with decades of investing and purchasing here to ensure you're making the right choice. 6. Rental income potential. Malibu is not primarily a cash flow market, but there is opportunity. Short-term rental rules vary, but high-end homes can command $20,000 to $100,000 plus per month, especially in the summer months. That said, most buyers here are focused on long-term appreciation and lifestyle use rather than pure yield. 7. How Malibu has performed historically. While every cycle is different, Malibu has shown strong long-term appreciation, resilience in ultra-luxury segments, consistent demand from global buyers, even during market slowdowns. Prime properties tend to hold value better than average homes in larger cities. 8. The emotional ROI that most investors miss. There's something that doesn't show up in spreadsheets. It's the moment you wake up, walk outside, and the ocean is 10 feet away. It's dinner with friends as the sun drops into the Pacific. It's the quiet, despite being minutes from Los Angeles. Malibu offers a return that's hard to quantify, quality of life. And for many buyers, that's part of the investment. So, is Malibu a good investment in 2026? The honest answer, yes, if you buy the right property, in the right location, with the right expectations. Malibu rewards long-term thinking, quality over quantity, prime locations over deals. It's less about flipping and more about owning something scarce, desirable, and enduring. Final thought. The best Malibu investments rarely feel like deals in the traditional sense. They feel like if I don't buy this, someone else will. At Malibu Living Real Estate, Brenda Hayward and Britt Elizondo help clients navigate these decisions every day, balancing lifestyle goals with smart investment strategy. Because in Malibu, the best investment isn't just about timing the market, it's about understanding it.